Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the complexities of the market and provide actionable insights. Today is January 7th, 2025, and we're focusing on QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust, tracking the Nasdaq 100 index. Recent news suggests a surge in semiconductor stocks and a positive outlook for the incoming administration. Let's see how these events correlate with the actual market performance. Looking at the daily chart, we observe a notable upward trend over the past few months, indicating strong bullish momentum. However, we also notice some recent price consolidation, suggesting a possible period of indecision among investors. Zooming into the past month on the daily chart, it's evident that the QQQ has shown considerable volatility. We can identify key support levels around 400 and 420 and resistance levels around 440 and 460. A break above 460 could signal a continuation of the uptrend. The hourly chart provides a more granular view of the price action, revealing intraday fluctuations. We see shorter-term support and resistance levels that are dynamic and change frequently. If we examine the 15-minute chart, the short-term volatility is even more amplified. This time frame is ideal for short-term traders seeking to capitalize on smaller price movements within the day. Quick decision-making is crucial on this timescale. Let's analyze a specific period on the 15-minute chart. For example, during the recent 3-day period with increased volatility, we saw a series of short-term price swings that could have presented interesting short-term trading opportunities. The rapid changes highlight the importance of staying informed and prepared. Notice on all charts that volume increases during periods of increased volatility. This relationship is worth monitoring to understand investor sentiment. In summary, the QQQ's price action shows a prevailing upward trend, but with periods of short-term volatility. Key support levels are found around 400 and 420 on the daily chart. Resistance levels lie around 440 and 460 on the daily chart. A sustained break above 460 could suggest a continuation of the broader uptrend, but a breakdown below 400 would indicate weakening bullish momentum. Short-term predictions are considerably more uncertain and depend on various factors and require diligent observation of hourly and 15-minute patterns. Volume plays a crucial role in confirming price movements on all time scales. Indicators suggest a moderately high probability of QQQ reaching the 460 level in the next 2 to 3 months if investor sentiment remains positive and the current news trends continue to be favorable for technology stocks. Important events such as earnings announcements or shifts in broader market sentiment could influence the likelihood of these price targets. Keep an eye on volume levels to gauge investor confidence. As always, stay informed and always manage your risk.